welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and in today's video I'm saving this dried out orange from the compost. Since we don't have a mantle and we're not setting up a tree, I decided to turn this little plant table into a gift station. Just to help make it a little bit more cozy, I added little light fluffy white blanket and a few kind of like faux plants and other trinkets. I think this warmed up the space and made it look really Christmassy and cute. But now I had a problem. So I had this bottom table was all like cozy and Christmassy, and then when you look up, it was just a blank bare wall. And then I thought about the garland to the left because the windows are a little bit on the taller side. Never really noticing it. So I'm like, it's kind of just like wasted decor sitting up there. So I pulled that garland down, brought it over above the table, and then started draping in different areas to see if it would work. It actually did. I loved the way it looked. So once I had that garland up, I thought, well, what am I going to decorate with? So I came across these really cute oranges and I thought to myself, perfect. I have an old dried out orange in my fridge that I was literally about to throw out. This is super easy to do. Take your orange, slice it up. So take your oranges, lay them flat, and then you can take paper towel or a cloth, and then you just want to blot them out and then get some of that extra juice out of there. This will help with the cooking process so it doesn't take as long to cook. I saw in a couple different videos you could lay it on parchment paper or lay them on a wire rack, and I just went with the wire rack so that way I'm not wasting the parchment paper and I can save that for like another baking project. My oranges, I think, didn't take as long because they were already pretty dried out from the fridge, like being cut in half, and was naturally air drying in the fridge. This was the fun part, stringing them. So I pulled them out, let them cool. I didn't get very fancy. I just used this bamboo skewer stick, and then I poked a hole in 2 different sides. Then I took my twine and then just weaved it through. This is before, and then this is the after. I'm really impressed with these. I think they turned out so good. I think they're really pretty. I love that natural sort of element. I love it. I think it's so cute, so pretty. Anyways, everybody have a great afternoon, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.